travels through generations. Now, these pains are as a result of trauma, psychological effects, some traits, and some personal issues. And these pains some have found their way from generations to generations. Let's take, for instance, these are our grandparents. Now, due to some psychological, some behavioral traits and whatsoever, some intentionally or unintentionally passed these pains to our parents. Now, here are our parents. Now, these pains were passed to our parents based on attitudes, behavior, and some beliefs. And most of our parents also, due to the system, the belief, the environment they found themselves, knowingly or unknowingly, also transferred this pain to us, the children. Now, the pain is with some of us. The big question is, are we also going to transfer this pain to our children, or will the pain end with us? This is a question for you. The question now is that you have two choices. Either to continue the generational transfer of this pain or to end it. Now, how are you going to end this pain? You know, this pain is as a result of beliefs, is as a result of culture, is as a result of some effects, emotional. But it is possible for you to end it. And you end it only by renewing yourself. You end the pain by renewing yourself, learning new things, asking yourself questions. Passing it, is it the best option? Or should I just end it? It is left for you. But is it possible to end the pain and not pass it over to your children and children on board? Yes. You have to keep renewing your mindset. Keep feeding yourself on the good aspects of life and take away that of the negative one. And it will be possible. Tell yourself that that pain, that bad attitude, that spirit of causing pains and passing it over ends with you. Thank you.